Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here for explaining the deepness and highness of British curriculum. You are concerned about the O-level, worldwide popular. The system has been simplified. Accountability, transparency has been maintained in the time of evaluating copy. Each and every number would be evaluated very sharply. Okay? But the education of British curriculum has been criticalized. Declaring O-level, ordinary level, and declaring A-level, advanced level. A particular syllabus also have been declared, but maintaining the standard where from the question would come, there haven't been ensured. Years after years, in last 50 years, you may not get any question common. So the fact that for tackling this internationally appreciated curriculum, we would emphasize, we would encourage our student getting admitted from class 7. Because this is the challenge of tackling international question paper. Book is here only one instrument. Beside book, internet, many other resources, many practical scenario. First time I told that maintaining the standard question might come from open scenario, any place of the world, any sector. This is British curriculum. So English comprehension would come from Nigeria, Australia, any places. So wide range of mentality need to be created among students. Student mentality need to be rectified through tackling several question paper. No Edexcel, no Cambridge, all should be mixed up at the time of tackling question paper. We do the precise thing. But after evaluating, after question being tackled, we never evaluate the answer paper from ourselves. Because this is internationally appreciated. Obviously, the answer evaluation should be sharp. So, we know the answer, but we would expose the evaluation in front of our student. So, we use the British answer paper. Undoubtedly, we never compromise on the question of giving ideas. Latent heat of physics, any graphical matter of economics, mathematical representation, we never compromise. We teach 16 subjects in O-level, 6 subjects in A-level. Random, there is no holiday. From morning to night, there are 4 or 5 classes. There is no holiday, almost no holiday. Every day classes would be held. Soft, good, and delicate behavior would be pronounced to our student. Ma, Baba, please do the class. All types of tricks, tactics would be applied to our student for involvement, for refinement, and the dramatic interest, the dramatic involvement would be expected, our magical attitudes. Last, we have been dedicating last 25 years. Only completing masters on physics cannot ensure teaching physics, because this is British curriculum, more phenomena, more tricks, more mechanism, more condition, more acting, sensical connectivity. Many things are needed for penetrating ideas in our student brain. We do believe that if the perception, if the concept is perfect, student can tackle any situation of the world. So we never compromise. We leave any stone unturned on the question of penetration, maturity, involvement. Tackling everyday question paper, our student become aggressive. I'm not talking about the so-called aggressive. Mean very confident. Our student really, day by day, dramatically, gradually, we try to raise our confidence. It's a fun study. The way I'm talking, I also talk to my student. All day long I make fun. So my student get happy. Wow, this is not a study, so it's a fun. Okay? So, another matter in online class, you are watching. This is online class. From residence you are watching. I am watching. So there is a transparency. There is a accountability. Okay? 2-3 years, doesn't matter. If you get 9A star in O level, 3A star in A level, your son, your daughter can deserve admission in Harvard University in America. We do. Thousands of students, we have been revolutionizing thousands of students. Tarannum, Parshabatul, Saiful, we have 1,000 bright names who have touched different international career. Okay? So we do. Inside or outside, we are profession. We are under professionalism. You trust me. We love teaching. We construct, we create gold, jewels. Your son will be undoubtedly very brilliant, very interesting personality. We motivate, simultaneously motivate. Hey, Baba, you have to be bigger. You have to be corrected. You have to be organized. In this tough situation, students are getting deteriorated. So love, motivation, softness, tolerance, these are the words need to be applied. So please, 16 all subject. So don't remain in the school, institute, traditional. There are some good schools, undoubtedly. But I'm talking about in a school where only book finished one time. Your son, your daughter will get unexpected result. Book should be completed 2 times, if possible 3 times. Simultaneous tackling, question paper, international research, different method need to be applied. Simply book finishing one time. International question cannot be solved. Okay, result come, personal password, you hide the situation. Hey, how your result? Okay, sir, no problem. These are being held. So, please be with us. We are committed. We are committed. We are really working. We are really working. So, 3 commitment. We are penetrating ideas, subject-wise, chapter-wise. We are giving international question. We are evaluating from British answer paper. We are working every day. Online, through the online class, you have no transportation hassle. Your son is going one coaching, another coaching, and doing any crime. No. You are watching that class is getting held. Okay, the in class, the rigorously, the input is being held. At the last moment, the question are being asked. In question paper solving class, we are evaluating. At the end of month, we are giving ST, report paper, to the parents. So everything is very clear, very proven, and very committed. Thank you very much.